Getting to know your customers. Knowing about your target customers makes it much easier to do two things. Get them to your site, sell them something. But before we get to look at how we do either of those things, we need to find out about our potential customers, and to do this, we're going to use a website called Quantcast.com. The first step is to find a domain that is the leader in your niche, an authoritative site. The easiest way to do this is to put your keyword into Google and look at the results. When you get the results, you should disregard any sites that are not solely about your topic. That is, Amazon results, Wikipedia, etc. Out of the remaining ones, I take a look at each one and then pick the ones I feel are the most authoritative. If you're struggling to pick out the most authoritative site, you can use Google PageRank and Alexa rankings. The higher the page rank, the more Google ranks the site, and the lower the Alexa ranking, the more traffic it gets. You can check Alexa rankings at alexa.com. Just enter the domain name you want to query. PageRank can be found out by searching Google for a PageRank checker. There are plenty to choose from. Alternatively, if you use Firefox, you can use a plugin called Search Status. You can download it here. Once installed, you will see a few icons in the bottom right of the screen. These will give the PageRank and Alexa ratings. All you have to do is hover over them when you are on the page you want to find the details for. So now I have a domain. I go over to Quantcast and enter the domain in the search bar at the top of the page. Here are the results. As you can see, you're given a whole range of data and stats. Now, I'm going to take you through a few different screens and point out the information you should be taking note of. On the summary page, take note of the gender, age, income. So for me, I have 64% plus female markets who are 70% of the time over the age of 35, and they have a varied income. The competition. Before taking a look at choosing the best product or service to promote, we have one very important thing to do, and that's to check out what the competition are up to. We're going to start out by doing a simple Google search for our keyword phrase. I have decided to narrow my niche to puppy training, and will search for the term puppy training. Here are the results. You want to focus only on the sponsored ads this time and make a few notes. These should include what products they are promoting, what words, keywords they are using in their advert, their domain name. Then click on each ad and take a look at the site. You will get a feel for the type of content you will need to place on your site. All you have to do is add in the content where I tell you. Now you have a list of domains and products they are promoting. Try searching for similar keywords in your niche. The keyword tool we mentioned and used earlier will give you an idea of what these might be.